How to transfer USDT from Binance to your Bybit. Open your Bybit. Now press on deposit. Now select deposit with crypto. Now select your currency. Suppose I want to send USDT. Now select your network as well. I am selecting TRC20. Now you can share this code or copy this wallet address. Now go back to my Binance. Now select your balance. Now you have to withdraw from your Binance. So press on withdraw. Press on withdraw. Now select your USDT. Make sure you have enough balance. I have 42 balance. Now send via crypto network or send via email. You can send it with email, or if you have crypto network, select crypto network. Now paste it that you copy already. Now select your network. Now enter amount. You have to at least $10. Now if you press on withdraw, then this dollar transferred to your Binance, sorry, Bybit. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer your dollar Bybit to Binance to Bybit. Thank you. Have a good day.